So this is just like a walkthrough of issue 9, which was about like adding a maximum character validation to like the personal access token description. So if we look at the code, I only updated like one file here, but just walking through the code, I imported the create alert function, which basically like shows an alert at the top of the page when you call it. And then I also added this, I guess, like state variable here, which uh, this basically will store the validation errors. And we just have like some computed functions here that check like if there is a validation error and get like the specific messages from here. And then mounted here, this is just um, adding like an event listener to the submit button, because I guess for this code, um, like if we this submit is like tied to the uh, this component here, but if there are any validation errors, this submit um, function or method doesn't actually get called, um, which is why we have to add this like special event handler here. And this is what happens like when you call that event handler. Uh, it basically just I guess it. Let me see. Yeah, so it's like added here, and then it basically just like adds the validation error to like um, this object here. And when we try submitting it, we first have to wait until the um, I guess like the actions and like this component finish running, and then we can check like if there are any validation errors. If there are, then we can just like combine it into like a string here, and then we display this as an alert here. And this is for like the description field, where we add like this validation just to make sure like if the length of whatever's in that text box is greater than 255. So if there are more than 255 characters, then we want to raise like show this message, and also like add it to like the validation object error object from up there. And yeah, so um here we're just adding like a blur. That's just to check if there are any validation errors when you don't focus on like the text box, and also like the validation here, which basically just gives like that red highlight when we do have like a validation error. So like here I'll just like refresh, and then we'll use this as an example. So like right now, this this text here is like exactly 255 characters. So so we shouldn't expect there um, to be an error. So just waiting for this to refresh. Um, okay, so let's just like create a new token. I'll just put like whatever here. And then if we exit out, we see it's fine. But if we add an extra character, we see that we get like this error, and then sorry, um, if we try submitting, we also get like this alert here. But if we fix this and then submit, and we see that it worked right here. But yeah, that's pretty much it.